Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the earbuds and case have power. Low battery can block pairing. Once charged, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the Bluetooth menu open. Open the JBL Vibe Beam case and remove an earbud or leave both in while holding the touch sensors for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED begins flashing. This indicates pairing mode. You do this because the earbuds advertise themselves over Bluetooth only while in pairing. Make sure other nearby devices are off or disconnected to avoid conflicts. Once the LED flashes, switch to your device's Bluetooth list and scan for new devices. You should see JBL Vibe Beam. Tap that entry to initiate the connection. Your phone may show a pairing prompt. Accept it to exchange keys and complete the secure link. Make sure to allow permissions for phone calls and media audio so both sound and microphone work. If you plan to use one earbud only, select the primary earbud. Otherwise, let the case manage stereo handoff automatically as designed. After connecting, play audio and speak into the mic to confirm stereo output and call functionality. Make volume and input device adjustments on your phone as needed. If pairing fails, perform a reset. Place earbuds in the case, then hold the touch sensors continuously for 8 to 10 seconds until LEDs flash differently. This clears old pairings. Once reset, re-enter pairing mode and reconnect. If problems persist, check for firmware updates in the JBL app and ensure your device's Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.